Hi friends, this is in my series of answer writing of ethics. This is one of my answers from Lukman Ayers test series which I have attempted in last October. Let's see the question. Why some values are considered as human values? What the relevance they have for society? So basically the question is demanding to write what is human value and why they are relevant for the society. So, at the beginning, I've started off writing the definition of value and then moved on to explain what is human value and gave quickly few examples, and then I've moved on to write subheading, that is relevance in society. See, while writing subheadings, choose the phrases from the question itself so that you'll not miss the demand of the question, and also it becomes easy for the examiner to correct your answer. So next I've explained point wise, giving examples for each. I have written around 3 points and with suitable examples, and at the end I've concluded with a Einstein quote. So let's quickly read the whole answer. Values are the degree of importance that an individual or a society attaches with. This is a definition which I've written on my own for values. You can see the basic series for a few definitions and differences between values, morals, ethics, and all. And the next, these are many values, like there are many values like moral values, democratic values, human values. And next, what is a human value? Those values that act as core in existence of human life are considered as human values. For example, human dignity, right to life, love, freedom of speech, peace, justice, etc. So this way my introduction is simple and sweet with examples. And next, relevance for society. Number one, for just, fair, and equitable society. For this, I have given an example like giving due importance to human dignity and curbing menace of manual scavenging results in reduced prejudice in the society. Lack of appropriate safety gear while entering septic tanks takes life of many. Yes, therefore, manual scavenging results in prejudice in the society. And next, to ensure prosperity, love, care, and peace reinforce the notion of humanity, leading to prosperity of all. For example, there are initiatives of IAS officers like M. Prashant Nair, who has made compassionate Kazi Code, lifted up many lives and spread the message of compassion as highest virtue in human life. These examples you can collect from the Topaz copy, as I've already told you, or you can collect from the newspaper. A number of examples you can see in daily newspaper, and after the start of this COVID-19, there are a number of humanitarian justice done by many people, not only by the rich government, but the people who are at the lower sections of the society also came forward to help in something or the other manner, that is humanity. And the third point I've written is reiterating humanity and humanism. For that, I have gave an explanation. Thinking and acting ethical is what makes a human humane. Therefore, every action and inaction should be guided by human values. For example, internationally there is refugee crisis and the climate change. Then later I have suitably concluded by saying that try not to be a man of success, but try to be a man of value. This was given by Einstein. This adage must prevail, upholding human values across all spheres of the life. For this I have secured 500 marks. I also got appropriate analysis review. I think beginning it well and ending with a right quote and suitably to the question, addressing the question in of all the parts is very important while writing answer, so that you will get at least 50% of the marks in ethics. I hope you have gained something from this session.